Hi guys, wait a minute. Hi guys, today my session is about talking about Windows 10 activation. Now many times on your computer screen you might find on your right hand side on the bottom saying requires an activation key, or you might have lost your activation key. For you to let you know, the first and the foremost, if you don't have your product key, you can locate the product key that is already been DE on your motherboard. It's been digitally entitlement on your motherboard. Now if you want to find out your product key, you can also find it out with the CMD command prompt. Now I have an easy solution for you in case if you don't want to download a software, you already have Windows 10 installed on your system. Now the only problem that you're facing is you finding an error code, or you might be finding saying that requires to change a product key. Now let me show you the simple and easy steps that can allow you to get yourself taken care of your Windows 10 activation. Now let's go by doing a right click on your Windows button, go to the settings. Once you go to the settings, in the updated settings, mine is already been taken care of, so you might find it's already been well done. Now here in the activation section you can see that there is a Windows 10 Enterprise that's been activated, and let me show you the basic and easy steps how it's done. Now let's show you the first and the basic step is very simple. By we go here, it will give you a link on the bottom of the video which will allow you to get yourself taken care on this one. Now as per this, I have one of these windows here. It's called it's a Windows 10 activation kit pack. I'll send you a link of this file. This file will allow you to get yourself activated. Now once you have a file like this, you can open one of your notepads. Once you open a notepad, okay, you can copy paste the same thing that you're finding here. For example, just do Control A, that will do the complete selection. Then do Control C to copy, and then open your blank notepad which you have here. Once you open your notepad, just paste it, Control Alt, and now you can save this as, you can save it on the desktop. Just remove this txt thing here, just put Windows 10.cmd and then you save it. As you can see, you will find that it's already been saved. You can close, which has already been done here on your notepad area. See, the file format have already been changed. If you can see, it has changed into two setting format. Then do a right click here, go to run as an administrator. Once you go as an administrator, it will take you to this prompt. Just click yes. Once you click on it, the activation is started. It will take maximum about 5 to 10 minutes, or you can take less than that. As I'm doing in front of you, you can see exactly the Windows 10 activation. Even if your window is activated, you can still try it. It works for home, professional, enterprises, and educational. As you already know, there are certain rules for Windows 10 Home. Now if you have a Windows 10 Home and you already have a product key for Windows 10 Home, you can use the Windows 10 Home if it's only for one product. Now if you buy the professional, you can install up to 3 systems. Okay, now if you have the enterprises, it's unlimited. So basically, if you have a big organization and you want to share all those things, and then boom, voila, it's done for you. Now as you can see, the activation is still going on. As you can see over here on this portion of the file, as my Windows 10 has already been activated, it's saying Windows 10 activation. Now this might take few seconds here and there. You can just still leave it on here, Windows 10 activation. Now in the meantime, the file that I'm discussing about, it's one of those files which you will find having all the product keys in them. You can copy paste the product key, but still depends on the version that you're using on your Windows 10, because they have different types of versions out there and different types of editions. So in Windows 10, if you're using a 1709, the fallen edition, if you finding that, That's one of the latest one. Now you can see over here, as I said, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes maximum. And do you want to restart your computer? I'm just going to type N because I've already done this before. And now here your activation is done. If you go back again to the settings, you can find it in the settings by using the Cortana key. The Cortana key helps you find your applications that you want to go to the update and security. You'll go to the activation. As you can see, window has already been activated. Now just to remind you, the last and the foremost important thing, always try to make your full laptop or your desktop to a restore point, just in case if your system occurs into some kind of technical errors or something, you will at least have an option where you will be able to revert back to the original position of your system. My only advice for all out there who are trying to activate their Windows 10, first and foremost, be important, always the first thing is to do your restore point. As I've already done my restore point on my system, and now if you have a confusion how to get the restore point done, let me also guide you. You can just click here, restore point, and you can see here create a restore point in your Cortana key, the search key that you find on your bottom left hand side. That's the one right here. Once you go there, you will be taken to here, this part. You can go here and click here create, and then you can type your name or just type Windows 10, put today's date, what today's date is, whatever, it's the 11th March 2018, and then create, boom, and then you're done. So basically once you do the create point, it's creating a restore point. So that computer has been set from that point on. Guys, let me finish my video by ending it by saying that this is how the restore point is done, and you will find a restore point. Second and foremost, as I've already explained to you, it will show you an indication of your Windows activation, and that is done, and the restore point is done. So hopefully I have guided you the steps how to get your Windows 10 activated. If you have any more questions, please do write me a comment on the bottom of it, and please do like and subscribe. Thank you once again for your assistance. Thank you guys, bye bye. Alright, let's just finish this last part here.